Hi everyone and welcome. Today we will be discussing about how to set up Shopify products recommendations. Now before we start, make sure you click the link below to get the best Shopify free trial and start your business with some exclusive bonuses. Okay, so first of all, let me show you how it actually looks. So you have your product in here, your main product. If I click on that, and you should be able to see some recommendation below. You can see you may also like. So how you can actually add that, right? For that, head over to your sales channel from your admin panel, head over to your online store, and then you need to click on to customize, and then you are going to head over to our web builder section, click on visit product. So this is the product page. You can see products, and below you are going to add this section called related products. So that's how you can add your recommendations in Shopify. And hope this video was helpful. Finally, make sure to click the link in the description below to take advantage of our exclusive Shopify free trial to start your business right away.